Ever thought about how the daily choices we make can impact our health? It's a fascinating subject, isn't it? We're diving into the world of toxins today and exploring the importance of detoxification. So, buckle up for a journey into the realm of health and wellness. Toxins are like unwanted guests. They're everywhere, in the food we eat, the air we breathe, and even the products we use. In fact, studies suggest that an average person may be exposed to over 700 different toxins each day. That's a staggering number, right? These toxins can wreak havoc on our bodies, leading to various health issues. They can damage vital organs, disrupt hormonal balance, impair immune function, and even accelerate the aging process. It's like a silent enemy, slowly but surely compromising our health. But here's the good news. Our bodies have a natural defense mechanism against these harmful invaders: detoxification. Detoxification is our body's way of processing and eliminating toxins. It's like a cleanup crew, tirelessly working to keep our body clean and functioning optimally. The liver, kidneys, digestive system, skin, and lungs all play a crucial role in this detoxification process. They filter out toxins from our body, helping to maintain a healthy balance. But sometimes, these organs can get overloaded with toxins, reducing their efficiency. That's where conscious detoxification comes into play. It's like giving your body a helping hand to eliminate the toxins more effectively. Adopting a detoxification routine can have numerous benefits. It can boost energy levels, enhance mental clarity, improve digestion, promote healthier skin, and strengthen the immune system. It's like hitting the reset button on your health. Detoxification can be as simple as drinking more water, eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, getting regular exercise, or even practicing mindfulness. It's not about drastic changes, but rather small, sustainable habits that can make a big difference over time. So, why not start today? Give your body the care it deserves. Adopt a detox routine and experience the transformation. Remember, a healthier body leads to a happier life. It's time to eliminate the junk in your trunk. Your body will thank you for it.